This is where we saw how we could deploy certain tactics, and these tactics may or may not work all the time, but if it does work, it tends to increase your uh, profitability, your return on your investment, and also your trading efficiency. So in the first part, we looked at what scaling was, we looked at what legging was, and what we're going to do in this course is to see if we can actually put some of those tactics into action here. So what we have is Amazon, and we're looking at the Amazon options. We want to try to put on an iron condor and see what these kind of things mean. So let's go into the July series. It's got about 57 days to expiry. And if we see, if it was a normal iron condor, what we might want to do is see what strike prices make sense to put on a regular iron condor first. So Amazon's trading at around 215. And if we actually go to the charts of Amazon and see what kind of support and resistance exists, we've looked at this in a previous course, and we know exactly what kind of support and resistance exists. We know that there is a resistance right here at 233, and if we go back a little bit, let's say we go back to about 9 months, and let's do a 9-month daily chart. Yep, we know that this previous resistance point is still drawn out there, and then now we can probably say that there are some minor support points at various places here. So this is definitely going to be a resistance point, and this is obviously going to be a strong resistance point. And then we have some minor support areas right here, and definitely right here there's about 2 or 3 places there, and certainly at this level as well. So Amazon is right in the middle of this range. So if we say that this is a minor support area right here, and then we have another one somewhere in this range, and we have a resistance line right here, and also then finally we have a big support area right here. So that's the support and resistance levels for Amazon. Of course, you're going to see that you'll have some intermediate points right here and things like that. So but we just want to get a lay of the land here. We don't want to get too picky. And right now you can see that Amazon is somewhere in between the support and resistance level. It's probably more towards its resistance level. So what we can do in terms of legging into this trade is we want to put the bear call first, because we know that it's got a resistance point right here, and it's got a resistance point right there. Also, if you look at the general market sentiment, there seems to be a bearish sentiment right now. So what we'll do is we want to put the bear call. But if we were to put an iron condor, again, I think we would go to the 250 strike price for the bear call, and for the bull put, we probably should go just a little bit below this this support line. So probably the 180. So let's go take a look at how we would do that. If we go to the 180 and say we want to sell an iron condor, then this is what it would look like. We wanted to do the 180 put. Yep, we wanted to do the 180 put, and let's say we'll buy the 170. And then on the call side, we definitely want to go to 250. So let's go to 250, and then the protective option would be at the 260. So this is a $10 width of the condor. So it's got $10 on the bear call side, and it's got $10 on the bull put side, and we have a total credit of 1.78. So our risk is going to be